Hello, today we are going to be looking at creating a calm down kit, and this kit is for those times when you feel sad or anxious and maybe you don't have anyone to talk to at that moment in time. It's always important to talk to somebody, but what you keep in this kit can help you feel more in control and manage those emotions. All you need is a box or a bag, whatever you find easiest to carry around with you, and then I want you to have a think about all of those things that make you feel a lot better when you're feeling down or feeling frustrated. Now, some of the things I have in my kit include a fan. When I get very stressed or anxious, I get very hot. And so having a fan means I can cool down really quickly. Other things I have in here, I have a notepad and I have a pencil as well. Now this can help me because if I can't express what I want to say in words, I can either write it down or I can draw it and then I can show it to someone later on. I also like pretty things, and so I have some bubbles, and as I blow them, that act of breathing out can really help me relax my breathing. Then I have a stress ball, which I can squeeze if I need to, and a fidget toy in case I need something to do with my hands. It's completely up to you what you put in your calming kit. Some of you might have something tactile, something soft to stroke. But if you make one, I'd love to see what you have. So please do leave me a photograph in the comments or tag us at Wellness League Heroes. And adults can also benefit from a calming kit too, but often they have additional items such as a box of tea. Bye for now.